2023
Genesis GV70.
With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.